Check the Cloud, here for another balloon art lesson just for you. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a lightning cloud. Now this one is an entirely original design made by me. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make it too. Let's get started. To make our lightning cloud, you're going to need 2 balloons of 2 different colors. I'm going to be using blue for the cloud and yellow for the lightning bolt. So mine's going to look more like the emoji lightning cloud, but you can make yours maybe black if you have it, or if even better, if you have metallic balloons, silver and gold looks really cool for this. So first we're going to start with our cloud. You're going to air it up about 3/4 of the way. Let some air out so it's nice and soft. And tie. So first thing you want to do is make something that we call the balloon art a flower pattern. All you do is just loop it over like this and twist it. And also feed the balloon through the loop to keep it in place. Now you're going to make 4 more of these. Once you have all 4 of your petals, you're going to twist a tiny little bubble on the end, just like that. And now you're going to twist all of your loops into that bubble. This may take some adjusting. I find it easiest to do if you get the 2 loops separated between your fingers like this, and get that tiny bubble between. Hold that bubble down, and just twist it all together into that one little bubble. And now, you're going to reposition your flower petals to where they look like this. Just like that. Now we're going to take our other balloon. This is going to be the lightning bolt coming out of it. Air it up only about halfway. This right here is really all you need. Squeeze and stretch. Start at the end and go up about 3 inches and twist. Now you're going to make something called a pinch twist. So you're going to twist a 1-inch bubble like that, and now you're going to fold these 2 longer pieces over. And you are going to grab hold of that bubble, and you are going to pinch it, and you're going to twist it. And you end up with something that looks like that. The pinch twist does take a lot of practice, and I think out of all of the balloon methods, the pinch twist is what's going to pop balloons more than anything else. But keep at it, and you'll get it. So now we're going to go up about the same length as this one, so about 3 inches. And then we're going to do another pinch twist. then finally, we're gonna give it about another 3 inches. Now here's where things get a little risky. When you have too much left over, just like I have. When that happens, pinch really hard on the twist where you want to keep. And then take your scissors and just lightly snip the uninflated part of the balloon. That way it deflates very slowly and it won't affect the rest of your balloon. Sometimes if you put too much air in, then when you have to reduce the balloon, then it'll pop. And pop balloons are a lot harder to work with. Not impossible, but much more difficult. So make sure you tie that nice and tight, and you should have something that looks like this. Now you are going to need a little bit of slack to tie onto the rest of it, but not quite that much. So cut about half of it off. So you're left with something like this. Now take that piece and tie it around the ball in the middle. Just like that. And now you're going to turn it the other way and just align everything again. Last but not least, adjust your lightning bolt where it's crooked. And there we have it. That is how you make a lightning cloud balloon. Now we just need some lightning and thunder effects. Whoa, that scared me. So that concludes this lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And it's okay if you pop balloons. It's part of the art. So until the next lesson, I've been your girl, JekJek the Cloud. Keep on smiling and keep on twisting. Bye, guys!